Welcome to this video. Today, we'll guide you through on how to create a YouTube channel. So the first thing we have to do is go to the search bar and open up a browser. I'm going to choose Chrome. Open up the browser. Then on the address bar, we go to youtube.com. And once in youtube.com, what we do is go to the top right corner and click on sign in. So to sign in, we need to use a Gmail account or we need to create a Gmail account. Everything is tied into the Gmail account, so we need to create that. So I'm going to sign in. And then we have to enter our password. Once we have signed in, the next thing we have to do is go to our profile on the top right corner. Click here. Then under the options, what we'll find is on the top under our email, you'll see an option that says create a channel. We click on it. So this is our channel name and our handle. We can change those and we can also select a picture for the channel name. So I'm going to choose this one for instance. And we can even change the name. The handle is automatically generated. You usually don't have to change it. And after all this, we'll click on create channel to create our channel. Now that we have created our channel, we can upload content to it by clicking on the button that says create. This has redirected us to YouTube Studio, and on the YouTube Studio page, we can upload and edit our content. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.